Hey, my name is Danila. I'm CTO at Nebius.
Hey, I'm Lukas, the co-founder and CEO at vCluster Labs. We're here at Raise Summit in Paris. It's good to have you here for a conversation. How's the show been for you so far?
It was great. Raise is this unique event where you feel like everyone is here, right? And doesn't matter, Europe, US, I've met people who I've had email threads like half an hour ago with, and all of a sudden they, hey, we're also here. This is immense, it's crazy.
Yeah, I'm so glad you're making time for me in what must be a really busy schedule.
It's we love you guys, so always happy to do that.
That's awesome. It's all about tokens these days, and obviously Nebius Token Factory is, I think, a second really big leg for you as a company. How much are you betting on this new product? How much are you investing in this new era for Nebius?
In a sense, this is, for us, this is going up the stack motion, right? So we have the cloud product that works great. We have a lot of loyal customers, but in a way, this is still just reselling infrastructure. And we want to be somewhere that is not that. Everyone is talking about tokens before. Now everyone is talking about outcome economy. And this is our motion to get into that market. We want to be where the actual intelligence is. Right? Not just the roads, but something more meaningful.
Yeah, you're widely recognized as one of the most sophisticated AI clouds. I almost don't want to call you a Neocloud because you're effectively a full stack cloud, right?
Yes.
You're much closer to AWS than anybody else.
Yes, that's the idea. And by the way, internally within the company, we're very skeptical towards the term Neocloud, especially when people call us the Neocloud, because it's such a broad term these days. Everyone is a Neocloud.
Right.
And we feel like our investment in scale, in the software platform, into extended services that we are currently developing. We're kind of moving out of that category, us and a couple of other companies, I guess. It's mainly about scale and the sophistication of the software that runs on top of that. Yes.
That makes sense. When you reached out to us as a company, we met obviously a couple of months ago. What was a big factor for you in terms of finding the right partner to work with?
Speed of execution. This was our motto, in a sense, internally, that nothing matters but the speed of execution. Finance, capital, GPUs, NVIDIA relationships, whatever. All of these are factors, but the only thing that really matters is the speed of execution. How fast can you go? How fast can you deliver? And talking to you and seeing what you guys do and what you've done for us is exactly that. I can't thank you enough for we were in a weird place when we reached out to you, and you guys delivered.
That's awesome. That's what we love to hear. Speed is definitely one of the primary areas that I think we excel in as well. How's it been working with our team? How's the responsiveness been? And
that's great. Deeply technical, always on point, digging deeper than expected, which is a nice thing, especially if you're talking so we don't view you guys as just the software. We look at you as software plus the team with expertise. And this is very important and very valuable for us.
That's awesome. That means a lot coming from you, to be honest. Some, veteran in the space who's obviously gathered so much experience over time. So yeah, very, very happy that the team is living up to that expectation. What's next for you? What is a top priority for you until the end of the year?
Token Factory, expanding Token Factory product portfolio, thinking about new ways to introduce inference workloads to the broader set of customers. We understand that we might be in a world where just inference is not enough even. So we are talking about more sophisticated product, agentic orchestration, tool hosting, etc. So this is something that is very much on the radar, and this is something we're investing in a lot.
Sounds good. Any areas we can help you with going forward?
All our plans, and I think we're pretty much aligned.
Awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. This has been a really great relationship with you guys so far.
It was.
We value the expertise on your end and also the speediness in every part of the interaction. I think we first met at a conference and we literally spoke a couple of days later, right? So very much back at you in terms of the speed of execution. Thank you so much for being a great partner.
Thank you.
And thanks for taking the time here for this quick interview.